Mutts in Bristol. We're around here today, checking out some fun cars, showing off quite a lot of our fleet.
Yeah, we've got the Countryman here, we've got Emo, we've got Mini, a couple friends' cars as well, and then some additional minis going on as well, and then a whole bunch of cool British cars. So we'll be here all day, hanging out. I'm gonna probably walk around and film a bunch of cars.
Yeah,
and then we'll see if we win anything, or if we're gonna win anything.
Oops. We got some cool cars.
Okay. Oh wow, that is a fancy intake on this bad boy.
Yeah.
It still has a cone filter inside of here, but it gets the air from the front of the car now.
That's dope as fuck.
Yeah.
That's really, really well done. I like that a lot.
I think this is one of the cleanest B-Series swaps I've seen.
Ooh, with AC too.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
These joiners, this mounting bracket is not
Oh, the mount. Nice. Yeah. Oh, beautiful work, sir.
Wow.
When I retired, I stole my office computer because it was a workstation machine with SolidWorks on it.
Yeah.
So I can use that. I can still use that for free. I tried to. I asked the department if I could. It was old. They didn't. It was too old that they didn't really want it anyway. I said, can I just take it home when I retire? And they didn't respond.
We got a lot of minis, a couple Rovers, a few TVRs. Crazy ass British shit. Never seen a louver on one of these things.
You don't see many of them. I haven't seen many.
I love it.
I do too. Yeah.
I've got a louver on my BMW 2002.
Oh yeah.
It's
what year?
69.
Oh.
And it just makes it cool.
It sets it off a little different.
Yeah, I love it.
Thank you.
This thing looks gorgeous.
Well, it's the end of a 2-year restoration, so.
Oh, beautiful.
Never gonna look, I guess.
Beautiful. The wheels and the paint, everything looks really great together.
Well, if you look inside, most of the GTs have a gray headliner, gray visors, and these panels back here are gray.
Ooh,
I did
nice.
the whole car in black.
I like it.
Just set it off a little different.
Very nice. This looks wonderful. Nice job.
Thank you.
It's a gorgeous car. And I love the black wire wheels. You never see these in black.
Nope. And these, believe it or not, these are brand new wire wheels that I painted black.
Fantastic. This looks great.
Thank you. Got a little messy on the way down here.
Oh, I love like the split bumper. I've never seen it split
That's
like that.
very rare. Yeah,
That's super
60,
cool.
This is 70. It was 69 and 70.
Yeah, I had a 71 and it had a full length.
Yep.
This is cool. I like this a lot.
Well, it's been a hot, sweaty day. Had some fun. Had some really good comments on our cars and some comments on our language. But you know, we roll with the punches, and we're about ready to go home. It's about 3 o'clock, and I think we're all drenched in sweat. So, see you next time. Thanks for joining us. Have a good day.